Your Worship, I've heard the contents of the letter, and I understand that the Chief Justice has the power to determine where the High Court should sit, and the administrative arrangement as to which court, which circuit should entertain the applications. But in the previous hearing, we had highlighted the urgency that this application Your Worship, in the previous proceedings, we had highlighted, we had submitted the urgency and the threat of eviction that this application seeks to restrain. The threat still stands. Whereas there is a directive by the Chief Justice to transfer the files to Gulu, High Court Circuit. The High Court sitting at Kampala still has jurisdiction. To issue orders for purposes of meeting the ends of justice. Because the High Court is established as one, under Article 139, Clause 1 of the Constitution. So, notwithstanding the directive to transfer, we still pray that an order in the interim be issued so that the processes of transfer and the time that will be lost by the applicants does not render the application nugatory. I so pray.